Hello, hi everyone. My name is Botond and this is the first video of a series where we will talk about an Arduino Uno and a breadboard and a series of exercises what you can do with Arduino Uno. So this is a basic tutorial where we will learn together how to program an Arduino Uno with a simple examples like a blinking application, like a Knight Rider effect, and so on. So please stay tuned and watch the video. During the series, I will use the Tinkercat platform from Autodesk because where we can find all the virtual components all of the Arduino Uno and the breadboard and all the components what we will need for this specific tutorial series. And you don't need physical hardware, first of all, in the first position, but it is a nice to have to go through the process to explore, to see how the things are physically. And every exercise, I, I will show you the physical counterpart of the simulation as well. So first of all, let's talk about an Arduino and specifically an Arduino Uno. What is an Arduino Uno? The Arduino Uno is a development board with a microcontroller where you can give tasks, write a simple code, and from that code you can turn your idea to an asset which is moving, which is coming to life actually. I will leave in the description below a more detailed description about what is an Arduino itself, what is a microcontroller, what the development is capable to do. And the second component what we will use is a breadboard. To understand how we are making the schematics and the exercise, you need to understand how the breadboard is working. So the breadboard itself, it's very simple. We have to separate the vertical and the horizontal connections. All the grounds, all the minuses horizontally are interconnected. So as you see, also the Tinkercad, it highlights that by clicking the same pin, you would have the same contact in that series. And it's very similar for the vertical lines. This pin is interconnected with the counterparter from the first line itself. The A and E are having the same sharing the same connection. So that is the basic concept of the breadboard. It is there to help you to understand or to have more location for the pins. That's it. Please watch the next video in the series. Thank you. Thank you for being there.